When we are determining that a binomial is a factor of a polynomial, we're going to be using synthetic division. And when we perform our synthetic division for the binomial to be a factor, we want the remainder to be 0. When the remainder is 0, it means that the binomial would have gone into the polynomial evenly, so nothing would be left over. Just like if we divide 3 into 9, 3 goes in evenly, which would give you a remainder of 0. So here in A, we are going to do our synthetic division. So I have x to the 5th, subtract 4x to the 3rd, plus 6x squared, minus 20x, plus 16. So I am missing my x to the 4th term, so I'm going to put a 0 between the x to the 5th and the minus 4x to the 3rd to represent that x to the 4th term. So when I write my coefficients, I'm going to have 1, 0, negative 4, 6, negative 20, and positive 16. In the box to the left, I am going to have the x subtract 2, so when you solve that, you would be having a positive 2 for that box. I'm going to bring down our 1, and that's going to multiply to the 2 in the box. So 1 times 2 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Negative 20 plus 12 is negative 8. Negative 8 times 2 is a negative 16. Positive 16 plus negative 16 is 0. 0 ends up being my remainder, so x subtract 2 is a factor of the polynomial. We're going to do the exact same thing in letter B. So I have k to the 3rd, subtract 10k squared, plus 8. So I am missing my k term, so I'm going to put a 0 in between the negative 10k squared and the positive 8. So I'm going to have a 1, negative 10, 0, positive 8 for my coefficients, and I'm going to put a positive 10 in my box. I'm going to bring my 1 down, and it's going to multiply times 10. 1 times 10 is 10. Negative 10 plus 10 is 0. 0 times 10 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 times 10 is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. My remainder this time is 8, so since it is not the number 0, the k subtract 10 is not a factor of the polynomial.